Hello YouTube! Today we are looking at a brand new watch. This is a Burei men's quartz watch. Now this is, it was billed on Amazon as either men's or women's watch, and it's very nice. I've been looking for a watch for quite some time now because I'm still one of those throwbacks who actually enjoys having a timepiece on my wrist. Right away we take it out of the box. We have instructions and a card for warranty. And I've already had this and been using it for a couple of weeks, but I just wanted to show you the packaging so that you could get an idea of what it looks like. You pull it out of the box, and it's held in place there by just a little piece of elastic, and has just your little tag on it with the brand name on it. And a nice watch here. So it's stainless steel backing. The battery's already in it, running, so I set it. This one unfortunately does not have a date on it. I tend to like having the date available on my watches, but this one I found for a great price online, and it's been so long since I've had a good watch that I just kind of snatched it up, and I really like it. Like I said, I've been wearing it for 2 or 3 weeks now and have really enjoyed it. It's very comfortable, and it is a large watch. As you can see, I have a large wrist, and it has a large face, but that is pretty nice on my hand. It looks a little more balanced. It doesn't look like so many women's watches with a tiny little face on my large wrist. And you can see here the enclosure is a bit different than I was used to. I've had enclosure something like it before, but only about half this width. So you've got this little hook here, and this little flip here with hooks there and there. And what you do is you flip that up, and then you hook this so that these two little hooks here catch on that bar, and this hook here catches right there, and then you close it down. So it's pretty easy. It takes just a little bit of extra practice to get used to, because again, it's been so long since I'd worn a watch, and now I can't do it without it being on my wrist. It's been so long since I'd worn a watch, and especially one with a clasp, anything like that it took me a bit, but then you just snap it closed, and ta-da. And it is water resistant. The instructions do say that if you go swimming in the ocean, that you should rinse it off not long after. It is water resistant. I've used it to wash dishes, and just right out of the box, it was just about a perfect fit for me. It's just a tiny bit looser than I would like it to be, but it has just a little give, and that's not too bad. The most it does is slide to maybe here on my wrist, but you can definitely adjust it. I have not bothered to do that yet, but you definitely can if you have the right tools. I've seen my father do that plenty of times. And again, it is stainless steel, water resistant, up to 30 meters, it says. Really, that's all I can say. It's comfortable. This is a black face with silver. Another drawback that I used to have watches that lit up if you pushed the knob. So I used to like that, so I could see in the dark. I don't really need to see that much in the dark anymore. There's constant glow around these days, and you do have phones for those situations. But all around, a really great watch for the price. I don't even remember. I got it on a sale, so I think I got it for less than $10. But I think it's normally 30 or 40 on Amazon. I'm not sure, but even then, it's a really good price for a nice quality watch.